Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add pop-ups in WordPress. Pop-ups are powerful tools for enhancing user engagement and driving conversions on your website. They can help you collect email addresses, promote special offers, or even reduce shopping cart abandonment. We will explore the simple steps to integrate these dynamic elements, making your site more interactive and effective. Get ready to transform your visitor experience with strategic pop-up implementation. Selecting the right pop-up plugin is your crucial first step. Many excellent options exist, such as Opt-in Monster or Elementor Pro, each offering unique features. Look for a plugin with an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, allowing for easy customization without coding. Advanced targeting options are also key, enabling you to show specific pop-ups to the right audience at the perfect moment. Always check for compatibility with your current WordPress setup. Now, let's design your pop-up. Utilize the plugin's drag-and-drop interface to craft an appealing visual. Focus on a clear, concise message and a strong call to action, guiding your visitors effectively. Consider different pop-up types, like an exit intent pop-up that appears when a user is about to leave, or a scroll-triggered one that activates after a visitor scrolls down 50% of a page. Customization is key to success. With your design complete, it's time for targeting and publishing. Define precise display rules. For instance, show a pop-up only on specific pages, to new visitors, or after a user has spent 30 seconds on your site. Always conduct a /B testing to compare different versions and optimize for the best conversion rates. Finally, publish your pop-up and continuously monitor its performance using built-in analytics to refine your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.